Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by getting your environment ready. Create a virtualenv and pip install Flask plus a DB driver and SQL Alchemy if you prefer an ORM. Once done, prepare a local SQL database and test credentials so you won't be blocked later. Then scaffold a minimal Flask app with a templates folder and an index. HTML. Make sure configuration values, host, port, user, password, database are stored in environment variables or a config file to avoid hardcoding secrets. Next, you wire Flask to the SQL database. Set the DB URI and app config using environment variables and initialize SQL Alchemy or a DB driver. Once connected, write parameterized queries or use ORM methods to query data. This prevents SQL injection. After you fetch rows, convert them to dictionaries or JSON-friendly structures so templates can consume them. While doing this, make sure to handle exceptions, commit if needed, and always close connections or session objects to free. Finally, render the data into your HTML by passing the prepared list or dict to render template, or expose a JSON endpoint that your front end fetches with AJAX. For production, paginate large queries, enable template escaping, and enforce HTTPS and strong DB user permissions. Deploy behind a WSGI server like Unicorn or UWSGI. If things go wrong, first check credentials and connection strings, then verify driver compatibility, database firewall rules, and inspect your application logs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.